Kaseng Meghalaya SSA School Association hapok kejenggelam ucaman ubah Aristotle Sirembai kilalit bani kendu sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejela ubah Preston Tensong badu Menteri Ketenaga Pulih Putih urakam Sangma ha Sekretariat ha kabakil ai kublai yaki halor kejing job ek election bad kejing syatung jongki kumgi Menteri Sarkar bad kilapun kedmauru ikimat jeng dawa jongki hikai SSA Ubah Aristotle Rembai ulong bagaseng kala kerpa dek Sarkar jela banmang kambo ni kepisah kamang tengka jong kesenam arajar arpulai arajar arpusau naga benta Ketenaga Pulih Putih naga benta gino hikai SSA kenang baladaja bagi Sarkar pedeng keslam ban pelat ketulap gino hikai ke Sarkar kan yok ban sio shwa naladi gini ketulap bat kani kan wengi kejing jong gino hikai ke jumat de kejing slam ban yok ketulap jongki Ulo ru balada ke Sarkar jela kalamang lupa kambun kepisah kamang tengka na kebenta kino hikai SSA kumta kejeng kino hikai ban yo Islam ketulap kan Om Don Show Uba Aristotle Rembai ule thu bagi ni gihe Sarkar kila ai kejeng kular ke basngu tenat ha kabakin shimkia ban wat kilat ban mang kambun kepisah kamang tengka kanang ban weng ya kejeng jo kino hikai SSA Uli tu ru bagaseng keladawa nak Sarkar jela bagadai bantung kamno ikno hikai hakikam kibateli bat keladawa ru nak Sarkar bagadai ban pa betno ikutulap syaki bank account jong kino hikai SSA bat omdai ban pa asyo ikutulap jong kino hikai syaki managing committee jong ki school
kebanang kong kalau nabanta ban penhe ya ke budget nabanta ke SSA hapo jong ke state budget nabanta jong ni financial year arjar apro layak usah kumba pilih sakhihi hakini ki kisnem bala de presiden ke ekbajia ni hab yemi srok na kapor bandawa banyo ek trop jong kadau hi hadin bagi la le ko humbo kadau hi shamba kadai na marba ka central government ka kat ya ka budget but kumjuro na kalyang jong ka state government ka bu duna palat ya ka budget hapo jong ka state budget na mataka SSA mo kumba kalungan mataka ni financial year ka ba manta arja apply pasal kalau akot ada 10% hak kepada daripada salary jong kino hikai. Di mana ban bon yang kena ke budget bala akot ke central government. It is the sole responsibility of the state government as per section 7+5 of the RT Act 2009. Kalau kamram jong government state government ban bon from its own resources. Di halor kani yang keren baru deputy chief minister sa Preston Song baru juru baru education minister nak kalian jong kila agree dia kani. Berkila ong ba kin walk out kin find out a solution ban penhe ya ke budget hapo jong ke state budget nang benta jong ke SSA lakum no ki hapan don be lakum no lai banai kan ni ka fon ka don lupa be hapo state kenang bala la slam ba pa pisana government of India kamu kinang yo ban siu lupa nak state ta de banukong ki appointment ki bahkan post ki SSA school kumba pitip menta la shisnem shiteng ye ki babun hi ki school SSA ki long vacant da ka jing resign jong ni kai yo kam showe da ka jing klat kejeng retired kita. Ti hadu menta mane nak kaliang jong ka government kampat thum ya kini di post. Tinggal persang kali mo namar ngira discuss ndo government barim ya kani. Ngira persang kali ba nak e gadau ba hadu menta pila ban solve ya kani issue. Namar kani kala kata sekade ya kena hagi tu school. Kejeng pensai ka bawan nak kaliang jong education minister kumju na deputy chief minister ban education kalong hiba kadau ba hi bagi slam ban advertise but fill up di post kalong ba kidang le ya ka personalization kidang le ya personalization namar ko ma BTB ki school SSA laron da ki mission school ki don ru ki school baron da ki resumen but kidang ru ki school ba fully set up by SSA Tika ai kabajia onda kila amut banra ya gitu kino hikai ni ban thung ya kino gitu kino hikai ki school ki babon kena ra ya gitu ki no hikai na ki school ki bada guna kena gila ya personalized ana personalization ki babon kini ki managing committee of the school ki persya ki raise objection. Di menta ki dang persang ban sort out no ban solve ya kan ka problems ti ki ongki persang kat bala ban le ya kan ti mare de ya kan kin approve ya kan SMC ban advertise propose ban kunjung ban fill up. Tina kaliang jong ki yamenta support ki la terpad ini association ban yasha ban ya trailang ber government kat ba ki dang le ban solve la persang ban solve ya kini ki issue kepada hakmat ber SMC. Kebana kaliang jong ni kren kalong hak bai de ban thung no yu chairman but the members jong ka Meghalaya State Education Commission mo kumba pila tiblang ba na November kila nakaliang jong ka cabinet November last year nakaliang jong ka cabinet kila DPA ya ka menjur ban don no ka Meghalaya State Education Commission nakaliang jong ka association ha ka chitrik jong na December menchips nem nila yo ikindo deputy chief minister haba nakaliang jong ile tho hangi bala de thung ya kan ka search committee ka bala khli daw chief secretary Jementa kasngi ngisutnat bana kaliang jong deputy chief minister badan brom sa preston song bat education minister sa rakam ile tu hangi ba kani ka search committee kala de ban shong chisin kala de ban identify yakni ki briu ban no ki chairman bat ki members jong ka Meghalaya State Education Commission bat shem kinsa shong biang yaka meeting ke baar te hala hak bai de berkani ka pentaro kina terpad bang yasha support bang sucho ban bo yu chairman but member jongka State Education Commission kin hak ban wat yu briu balong fully professional balong biang la dong shadong ni ring isu tho de ne but ani agree ban yasha ban cooperate ka
we have come into discussion. We are on the job. We are planning to do our best on our part. So we understand. Like, look, I'm always again and reiterate, teachers is on our priority. And at any cost, we will try our best to sort it out the issue. But maybe, so if there is a way, we'll find out the way, and we will get the way. Look, there was some technical issue was there because of roster system and also because of Honorable High Court order. So, but there are quite number of government LP school in the state having without teacher for last 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, right? To be frank, in my district, South Kerala, 26 number of school without teacher. So if we wait for all things to be completed, it may delay for some time. I mean, little time to wait for proper recruitment. As a stopgap arrangement, we're just planning to appoint. We're planning to appoint under 59 days system just to as a stopgap temporary arrangement till the regular recruitment is done.